having me. What you have to do is just imitate, feel free to imitate any of the animals you've been seeing in the United States. Feel like an animal, like a Galapagos animal. Yeah? Yeah? Would you join me? Okay. Okay. I love these islands. You ready? There's a place where nature still wears its primeval glory. It's a land where creatures live in harmony. There's no question but that land is enchanted islands, a shrine of wildlife, nowhere like it. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause for the sight, it's such a treat, and for the spirit, a journey to peace. So I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause there's so much fascination in their soul. You agree with that? So join me. See marine iguanas piling by the hundreds, like a scene of dragons from another world. Prehistoric days that were a brief through the ages remain in these islands forevermore. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause for the sight, there's such a treat, and for the spirit, a journey to peace. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause there's so much fascination in their soul. Let me hear it again. See the feeding frenzies of the bluebees, play with the sea lions while they chase all around. Hear the cheerful songs of seabirds and darling finches, and watch the Galapagos sunsets. Who ask for more? Oh, I love the islands, I love them so. For the sight, there's such a treat, and for the spirit, the journey to peace. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause there's so much fascination in their soul. Let me hear you. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause for the sight, there's such a treat, and for the spirit, a journey to peace. Oh, I love these islands, I love them so. 'Cause there's so much fascination in their souls. 'Cause there's so much fascination even here on board.